Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 11th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So this morning we were up here, and I said that it looks like we're going down for a possible ABC correction. So we did end up making that move down to the 61% Fibonacci retracement. Now we are kind of bouncing a little bit right here, but if you go to a time frame where that move down is actually a trend, which is probably like the 30-minute time frame because of the low high low high low high series. The breaker structure point is actually right there, and we do not have that much of a significant higher low yet. So we can't really confirm that this is the end of a wave C until we get that significant higher low, or preferably a nice breaker structure to the upside, telling us that the uptrend is back in play. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.